In this video, I will show how to use the ratio test to determine whether a given series converges or diverges. So to use the ratio test, I'm going to set up the following limit. It's the limit of the absolute value of the ratio of the n plus 1th term over nth term. So the nth term is n cubed over 3 to the power n, and the n plus 1th term is n plus 1 cubed over 3 to the power n plus 1. Simplifying this ratio inside of the absolute value will give me this ratio. So it's going to be n plus 1 cubed times 3 to the n over 3 to the power n plus 1 times n cubed. And now, since everything is positive, we don't need to write the absolute value, and we can just focus on what's inside and simplify it. 3 to the power n can be reduced with 3 to the power n plus 1 completely. We just have 3 left in the denominator, and now we can take out 1/3 and combine the cubes in what's left. Now, what's inside of the parentheses here, it goes to 1, so the entire limit goes to 1/3. Since 1/3 is less than 1, we conclude that the original series converges by the ratio test.